How to fix Instagram message notification on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message notification on Android phone. First, then just open settings and then go to apps and then find Instagram here, and now just go to notifications and then scroll down, scroll until you find wait, where is it? This one here, Instagram direct. Click on it and here you can fix it. Maybe you will find this one like that. Just enable it, or you can fix this one here. You can change notification sound or something like that. And that's how to fix Instagram notifications and Instagram message notification on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.